Meet Mark Johnson, a YouTube content creator who prefers to stay faceless, but connecting with viewers posed a challenge. Pictory, a powerful video editing tool, came to the rescue. With Pictory's innovative features, Mark added emotive animations and captivating text overlays to convey emotions without showing his face. His channel thrived, and viewers felt a stronger connection. Pictory empowered Mark to break through the barriers of faceless content creation, proving the strength of creativity and innovation. Now it's your turn. Whether you're a content creator or a brand, Pictory unlocks your potential in the digital landscape. Embrace faceless storytelling, and success awaits. What's up, Faceless family? Welcome to Debt Busters. Today we will show you the methods for making a whopping $1,000 daily with Pictory. You've come to the right place if you've been looking for a simple and step-by-step guide to harnessing the power of Pictory and increasing your revenue to unimaginable levels. We're excited to share a one-of-a-kind strategy that has changed the lives of countless people just like Mark and you. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. If you subscribe and comment "I subscribed," you'll be sure to get a reply from me. Before you ask, yes, you can monetize a YouTube channel using AI. Yes, that includes Pictory. Yes, that includes scripts written with ChatGPT. Yes, that includes AI voices, but only if they're high quality. Click the card at the top of the screen for more information on that. Feel free to laugh at anyone who asks about monetization in the comments. The first thing you're going to need is a script. That's no problem at all. Use my link in the description to go to ChatGPT. Prompt ChatGPT to write you a script in the text box at the bottom of the screen. Let's imagine your topic is the benefits of hydration. You can enter a prompt as simple as, "What are hydration's key benefits?" And ChatGPT will give you an answer that you can use as a script for your video. Next is where Pictory comes in. For those who don't know, Pictory AI is an innovative platform utilizing artificial intelligence to transform text into captivating visual stories. Using AI algorithms, it translates text into video scenes, combining images, animations, and voiceovers to convey the message effectively. This tool bridges the gap between written information and engaging multimedia, enabling compelling communication. With Pictory, users can make custom-branded videos and easily share them on YouTube, as well as various other social media and websites. The platform provides vast advanced editing possibilities and a content library with photos and videos from well-known sources such as Storyblocks. The comprehensive library of over 3 million videos serves various YouTube content creation needs that can grow your YouTube channel effortlessly. Let's look at the video making journey with Pictory. Use the link in the description to create a free account. While Pictory allows users to try the tool for free, you'll be limited in how many videos you can create per month. If you want to create 30, 60, or even 90 videos per month and get rid of the watermark, which you should if you are serious about YouTube content creation, I'd highly recommend you upgrade to a paid plan. It's quick and straightforward. Stay tuned, and I'll give you my coupon code to get 30% off your subscription. After you've completed your account and logged in, you're ready to explore the fascinating world of video editing. To begin, go to the dashboard and select the script to video option. Enter your video's name, copy the script you created in ChatGPT, paste it into Pictory, and click Proceed. This is where you'll select a template from Pictory's library. The main function of the template is to show you how the on-screen captions will look should you choose to use them. I prefer the subtle highlight template, so let's go with that. Your next choice will be to select an aspect ratio. This will decide the video's layout. 16:9 is the standard long-form YouTube video layout, so we'll choose that. Other options include the 9:16 layout that's ideal for YouTube Shorts and TikTok. The 1:1 layout is best suited for Instagram Reels. We'll click 16:9 and Pictory will begin creating our video storyboard. Creation time is generally a matter of seconds, though shorter videos are generated faster than longer ones. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Pictory breaks your script down into scenes and chooses the best images and clips for each scene based on the keywords in the script. You can click on the scene on the left of the screen and the video will play on the right. You can check each scene this way to make sure the clips align with your vision for the video. You can also change the clips used for each scene by going to the Visuals tab on the far left of the screen and choosing from any of the clips that are associated with the keywords Pictory identified with your script. You may decide you don't want captions on this particular scene. Hiding captions is easy. All you have to do is go to the right side of the screen and click the CC icon immediately under the video. The text will disappear instantly, giving you the further option to apply this to the entire video. It takes more than a great script and solid clips to make a great video. You'll need to make the right audio choices as well. Clicking the audio tab on the left side of the screen reveals over 15,000 royalty-free music choices to use in our video, depending on the video's mood. These music options will not trigger YouTube's Content ID process, and you will not get into copyright trouble using Pictory's music. Copyright trolls may still make claims. You need only appeal the claim, and they'll leave you alone. We're going to go to the voiceover option at the top left and choose the voice that we'd like to narrate our video. Let's see what Aiden sounds like.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Let's hear Tom next.
Welcome to Pictory.
And finally, let's give Jackson a try. Truth be told, none of the text-to-video platforms have great text-to-speech options, to my knowledge. However, there is a better option if you're not a fan of any of Pictory's voices. You can use 11 Labs to make your voiceover sound much more professional for as little as $5 a month. You can use my link in the description to try 11 Labs for yourself for free. Let's go to 11 Labs and make sure we're on the Speech Synthesis tab. Adam should be the default voice under Settings. Let's see what Adam sounds like.
A man sees in the world what he carries in his
A
heart.
much richer sound, isn't it? 11 Labs offers incredible sounding voices and will truly help your video stand apart from the rest. Let me know which voice you prefer in the comments. If you choose to use Pictory's voiceover, all you have to do is hover over your selection and click Apply. The Apply button will read Applied when you're done. If you choose to use 11 Labs, you'll have to copy to the text box and click Generate. 11 Labs can generate 5,000 characters, or roughly 4.5 minutes of speech at a time. The voiceover will automatically play when it's generated. Click the download icon on the bottom right corner of your screen to download your 11 Labs voiceover. Then return to the Pictory tab, drag and drop it to save to Pictory. It will populate under recent uploads. You will then have the option to apply the voiceover to the current scene or your entire video. You'll choose entire video, and Pictory will automatically sync your voiceover to the video. Lastly, we'll go to the volume icon and make sure the background music is no higher than 10%. This is so that the music isn't so loud viewers can't hear the voiceover. We'll then preview the video to make sure it suits our vision. If so, click the download button, then select the video option and the video will render. Please be patient as the rendering process takes its course. You can also choose to run the rendering process in the background, and Pictory will send you an email when your video is ready. Now let's talk about cost. There are other text-to-video platforms that mention free trials, but then expect that you pay to download. Pictory doesn't engage in those kinds of practices. Aside from the free plan, Pictory offers a standard, premium, and teams plan. Pictory's free plan allows users to create 3 videos a month, up to an incredible 10 minutes long. The standard plan is $19 per month when paid annually and allows users to download 30 videos per month or up to 10 minutes in length. You'll also get 10 hours of video transcription per month, access to 34 text to speech voices, and more. The premium plan costs $39 per month paid annually and offers double what the standard plan offers. Finally, the new Teams plan costs $99 a month paid annually and offers triple everything the standard plan offers, including 3 users per Teams account, as well as the ability to collaborate with your teammates. I'll give you my coupon code as a reward for those who stuck around to the end. Pictory is one of the best text-to-video platforms on the market, and you can get 30% off any Pictory subscription by using the coupon code DEBTBUSTERS30. Thanks to Pictory's robust capabilities, your video making issues are now a thing of the past. Remember that while the guide we've given you gives valuable information, your hard work and determination will lead to you earning a staggering $1,000 every day. Put up the work and you will be rewarded handsomely. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube Cash Cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. I've put together the most cost-effective YouTube content creation course online that teaches you secret growth tactics for making up to $10,000 each month online. With this course, you'll get access to advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize cash cow channels using AI, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know how to make $1,000 a day with Pictory. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing about how generative AI built my faceless YouTube channel for free. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know how generative AI built my faceless YouTube channel for free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.